So here is the great reveal. 3, 2, 1, go. That's it. 2, 1. Yep. Honda 650 Bros. Known in the UK as a Bros, but known in the US as a Hawk GT. But known in the US as a Hawk GT. I think the Hawk GT sounds better, but it's the same bike, so it doesn't make any difference. But yeah, I've bought myself a 650. Myself a 650 Bros, which, as you can see from looking around it here, look, it needs a full restoration. I don't know when this bike was last on the road. I think I checked the MOT history, and I think it was about 2000. Good. Although obviously I won't be able to reuse them, but when the thing was last used, they were probably fairly new. The brakes look in really good condition. The rear brake looks like it's a brand new unit, so that may have been fitted by the previous owner. Yeah, but you can see there are other areas where it needs plenty of attention. The paintwork. To start the engine, because the plan is try and start the engine. If I can get the engine to run, doesn't have to run perfectly because the carbs probably want stripping and rebuilding. The tank is, the paint is rubbish, but there's no major dents, there's no big scratches, there's no cracks and splits and all that in the bodywork, and there isn't very much bodywork anyway. So my aim is to paint it a different colour.